There is one more way of arranging the spheres in 2 dimensions. First, place one row of spheres and name it as A-type. Then, place a second row of spheres adjacent to the first row such that it fits in the depression of the first row. The second row is not similar to the first row and can be named B-type. The third row can be placed in the depression of the second row, which aligns with the spheres of the first row and can also be named as A-type. Similarly, the spheres of the fourth row align with the spheres of the second row and can be named as B-type. Hence, this kind of arrangement is called ABAB type arrangement. This type of packing is more efficient than square close packing in 2 dimensions because there is less free space between the spheres. Each of the spheres touches 6 of its neighboring spheres, and so its 2-dimensional coordination number is 6. The centers of these 6 spheres form a regular hexagon. Thus, this type of packing is called 2-dimensional hexagonal close packing. In this type of packing, 2 types of triangular voids, empty spaces, are seen. In one row, the apex of one triangle point upwards, and in the next layer, the apex of other triangle points downwards.